Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the core parts and powering the device. This is the essential first action. Once assembled, connect the coil to the chronodial and feed exactly 50% soul energy to avoid spikes. Make sure to set a stable anchor point at a fixed, unmoving landmark so the machine can lock coordinates. Once done, perform a brief calibrate tap on the dial to confirm the unit reads stable before initiating the first jump. You now begin the controlled sequence by initiating a short jump of 1 to 5 minutes to test stability. While traveling, watch the temporal drift gauge closely and make micro adjustments of plus or minus 0. 5 units to correct trajectory. This prevents accumulating errors. Once you arrive, map nearby temporal residues and immediately log the jump details, time, anchor used, and any anomalies to your notebook. Then, if readings are stable, extend. You finish by returning to your origin anchor and initiating a full cooldown cycle to stabilize the timeline. This consolidates changes safely. If you detect desynchronization or overlapping events, trigger a reverse pulse at 0. 25 intensity immediately to nudge states back into phase, and then reapply the cooldown. Make sure to have one backup core and the emergency reset procedure on hand. If the machine refuses to respond, use the reset to clear corrupted states before attempting another calibrated jump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.